What's up YouTube, it's your girl Candy Braid back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing get ready with me and just having a little chit chat with you guys about some things that's been on my mind. But before we go ahead and get into this video, go ahead and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time your girl posts a new video. So let's go ahead and get into it. I know I look a mess, but I'm gonna be cute after. Boop. I washed my hair the other day. I've just been procrastinating on actually doing it. I saw this girl do 2 ponytails and then she put the little braid in here, so she had 2 little braided pigtails, and I was like, oh, that's cute, let me try that. So that's what we're gonna be trying today on this head right here. I got my big trusty big tooth comb. Let me not use that. I have 2 left hands. I rarely do my hair, and if I do my hair, then it's something simple like a puff. I could slay a puff now. We're gonna try our best. As long as it's cute in the end, that's all I care about. And I could say, I did that. Your girl did that. Sometimes, y'all, I feel like I don't want to perm my hair again. Like, I don't feel the urge to want to perm my hair again. But sometimes I feel the urge to want to just chop it all off and go back and do the big chop. I woke up one morning and I was just like, bruh, I want a big chop. So I woke my sister up and I was like, can you cut my hair off today? And by the way, shout out to my sister Bonnie. She had a YouTube. Well, she had a YouTube, but she straight hooked me up, and it was the best thing ever, you guys, to be honest, because I don't really like to do my hair, to be honest, and I don't know how to do hair. So look at this, tangled, and I straight detangled the other day. I got some water, and the only thing that basically detangles my hair is this right here. Kinky curly knot today. If you don't got this, or if you don't know about this, look, thank me later. It really detangles my hair. Like, I don't struggle at all when I use this. Put it on there. See, the front was really detangled, because you see that parted like the Red Sea, straight. Okay, but anyways, you guys, so this have been one of the craziest years I thought I would ever see. But to be honest, it's got me thinking a lot lately, you know. Like, when you grow up and you leave high school, people be like, oh, make sure you go to college and you'll find a good job and all of this type of stuff. But I've never really cared to work for nobody. I just always had my mind set on, I'm gonna go to college and go straight to med school and open my own practice. I've never said, you know, when I graduate college, I'm gonna be a doctor and I'm gonna go work for somebody else. Like, I don't care to work for nobody, because to be honest, you don't have no say-so in what happens to you. I've been thinking about starting a business. I can't even see the back of my head. Is this even straight, bro? Can I can't see that. Oh my God! So I'm just like, look, if I start my own business, I set my own hours and I decide what happens to me and my company. If I put in the work, it'll be successful. If I don't put in the work, then that's on me and then I'll fail. But at least at the end of the day, I can sleep at night knowing that, you know, I have something to rely on, and I don't have to, you know, be thinking about if person that I'm working for or the company that I'm working for is going to, you know, shut down or something, and we're just, or and I'm just left to figure out my life and pick up the pieces. And that's basically what happened. So, you know, it's like a blessing in disguise. I'm just gonna take out my baby hairs, teenage hairs, or whatever y'all want to call these things. Like, who came up with this trend, to be honest, laying baby hair? I always lay my sideburns, because y'all see these sideburns? They disrespectful. Why they so ghetto? The ghetto. I have the thickest sideburns I've ever seen. Like, I just don't know what to do with them ever. And they disrespectful. Like, they don't follow no directions at all. So I decided I'm gonna start a business. I haven't given up on med school. It's just taking me longer to get there, but when I get there, it's gonna be lit. Trust me. I am using this time that I have wisely to study and make sure that the next time take the MCAT and all of that, I'll be completely ready and could go full force. But for now, we have to take another plan and basically reconfigure everything and figure it out. Feel defeated, and I barely did anything. Okay, so I got my trusty Eco Styler gel. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. I can't wait for y'all to see and for this whole thing to jump off and get started. This ain't gonna come out cute, but whatever. I feel defeated. I'm all over the place with this conversation, but yeah, I feel like I gotta start somewhere. You know, scared money don't make no money. As scary as this new adventure is, it's not as bad as working for somebody and not knowing what's gonna happen to you. And you spent all these years being loyal to a company, and in your darkest hour when you depended on them, they said every man for themselves. Who want to trade heads with me? Tell me, who want to? Because I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. But yeah, so I've been thinking about cutting my hair, y'all. Like, I miss, as my best friend would say, my toile. I was like, girl, what you just said? She said, my little toile. I said, what the heck is a toile? I said, you mean a TWA? I was dead. I said, girl, a toile. Girl, you trying to be fancy. I'm dead. She said my toile. I said, girl, you stupid. I was dead. Oh Lord. I be thinking about that. I'm like, yo, toile. I was so confused. I said, I don't know how the hell we started talking about hair, but I was like, yeah, I miss my little baby afro. I ain't gonna lie, when I first cut my hair out, I looked weird as hell. I remember looking in the mirror like, bitch, who is that? But I remember when I first cut my hair off, I was like, damn, who is this alien? You look hot fucking fast. But you know, it kind of grew on me. You know, I was like, oh, okay, you look good now. Since after like a week, it kind of grew on me. I had to get used to seeing myself like that. At first I was like, I didn't want to go out in public like that. I mean, I ain't cut it really. Yeah, I did have like a little fro. I ain't gonna lie, I used to love the fact that I could just wash my hair, slap some gel on that thing. I really need to trim, y'all. It's bad. Anybody that knows any good natural hair, I mean like people that really know how to do natural hair in Florida, let me know, cause for real, look at this. The shedding is bad. It's even worse when I wash it and just take it out. But dang, I'm all over the place what I was talking about. But yeah, when I first cut my hair, I was like, I loved it. Everything used to come out bomb. I remember when I first did dang, a flat twist on my hair. It was bomb. Like when I tell you my curls were defined to the gods, I was like, yes girl, you killed that. But don't ask me if I was to do a flat twist out now, it's gonna be a hot mess. It's not, my ends are bad, and it's not even gonna be defined. Like the last video that I posted, I did a bantu knot out, and when I tell you the back of my hair is like, it's not disrespectful, okay? Like if I put a bantu knot, a flat twist, or a 2-strand twist, whatever I put in the back of my head, it's gonna be defined like nothing else. It's gonna be straight. But when it comes to the middle of my head and the front of my head, disrespectful. Just straight disrespectful. Like I don't be having time for that. Like when I tell y'all, I get so frustrated, and I just know for a fact that it's not gonna come out right. I be so mad, especially when you know you do your hair like 2 days. You do your hair like 2 days in advance before you gotta go somewhere, and you like, when this hair dry and I take this thing out, I'm gonna be looking slayed, okay? But in actuality, your hair be like, I got something for you. You finna be looking a hot mess. That's exactly what happened.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real!
That's exactly what happened. Like that last video I did, I was so upset. I did a bantu knot. I sat there, I detangled my hair, y'all. I detangled, and I took that doggone bantu knot out for the majority of my head. It was a mess. Like my hair was so dry and tangled. Like I was so angry because it didn't do what I wanted it to do, and it was disrespectful. It didn't listen. And after I sat there and I detangled and detangled, I detangled in the shower, I detangled when I got out the shower, I detangled before I did my hair, and for it to be tangled when I took my bantu knot down, I was done. I wanted to straight up cry, just roll over, cry and die. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I miss my baby fro. I could do a true wash and go, really wet my hair and put some gel on it and go about my life. But this right here is a whole ghetto mess. Straight whole ghetto mess. Hey, do they have a Ayanla for your hair? Fix my hair, cause this right here is a whole struggle. My arm hurt. Look at this big forehead. I ain't know I had a big forehead like that. Hold on. Dang. I'm done. Now I see why these girls be swooping they adult hairs, cause They got a big ass forehead like me. Camera died. Ooh, child, the ghetto. The ghetto. Anyways, check my eyebrows out, y'all. I am getting a hang of these eyebrows. Do you see that? And my arms hurt. Maybe I'll just rock my hair like this. Hey. Whew. I don't know how to lay no edges, but we gonna try. We gon' try again. This is a man, 'cause this drive me crazy. This one got a little thing, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna definitely have to put my scarf on because right now these hairs are curling back up and they driving me crazy. So while the camera died, I went ahead and added some braiding hair for my little pigtails. Now I told y'all I have 2 left hands and I don't do my hair. Like I usually make my sister do like a crochet or braid my hair because I was not gifted with the ability to know how to do hair at all. If this turned out cute, it's gonna be the first and last time. Can you see? Well, you can't see, but can I? Shut up. Hold on. The other little plait thing, I think it's supposed to go up this way. Uneven knots in my head. That ain't cute. That ain't cute. Look at this. Let me put my scarf on because I'm finna straight be on here acting a fool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for the big reveal, I think it's cute. So what y'all think? Oh, my bad. Anyways, this is the look. Tell me what y'all think. Oh, I should have did one big ponytail. No, I should have did one ponytail, right? That'd have been dope. This is it. How did I do? How did I do? I enjoyed sitting and talking with you guys, getting ready. That's it for today, guys. I'm glad you guys sat with me while I went on a little rant, and I will have another video coming on what I plan on doing in regards to my business. I already have a name and a logo and all of that. I'm so excited, and like I said, my stuff is coming. I think it's supposed to come tomorrow, so I'll definitely be posting a new video unboxing. So like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.